Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Podio, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you sign up and create a Podio account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sign up for Podio anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a wholesale business, you know that managing all of your sellers, buyers, and deals can be confusing, and Podio is a popular way to organize all of that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in their website, podio.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there, but I've already pulled up their website and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create a Podio account, you're going to click here on sign up. Okay, once you do that, you can sign up with your share file, Google or Microsoft login, or you can do what I do and enter your email address, your name, and a password. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that in off screen. Okay, after you enter in the required information, click here on sign up. Okay, next Podio is going to send you an email to confirm your account. So I'm going to go ahead and open that email and click on the link. Okay, next Podio is going to ask you to fill in these questionnaires. This is to set up your account. So which company you work at, what's your title, how do you intend to use Podio, how many employees are in the organization, your phone number, and if you want to add any team members. So I'm going to enter this in off screen. Okay, a quick second later, it brings me here to my Podio dashboard. So now I can go ahead and start uploading new projects, inviting my team members, and setting up meetings. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create your Podio account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.